Hello guys, and welcome back. In this video, let's talk about an amazing setup on Pfizer stock for long-term shares. So I want to go over a lot and very in-depth in this video. Pfizer stock is up over 3.5% just today. And I did buy in shares as I alerted on the Discord. So I want to go in very in-depth in this video and compare it to other stocks like Macy's and Disney and all of that. Subscribe with notifications on and make sure to leave a like, and let's get started. So I'll be doing a lot of comparing with other stocks because this is a very similar play to our long-term play on Disney, and then we had a play on Macy's that I want to go over. So we're taking a look at Pfizer stock, and I want to take a look at the monthly time frame. Each one of these candles is 1 month, and we could see that we have been holding the support since 1997. Okay, this is a support that we have been forming since 1997, and we have held this support for a very long time. The only time we broke this level was during the 2008 financial crisis. So I want to emphasize the idea of our probability. Okay, what is our probability of us going even more lower? Okay, the only time we broke the support was during the 2008 financial crisis. So the probability on that is looking absolutely amazing. Then if we take a look at a closer picture, we can see that Pfizer has really been just having a nose dive right now. So we want to be buying low and we want to be selling high. And this is the perfect entry for Pfizer right here at $26. Now, I'll be going over a lot in this video. Let's take a look at the RSI, an indicator that tells us if a stock is overbought or oversold. And we can see that the RSI is sitting right at the level of support. So we have the confirmation on the RSI. We got two confirmations going on. The next confirmation that I want to take a look at is the volume. If I zoom in here, we can see that we have had massive volume spikes recently for Pfizer. And I'll be going over on how with, for example, Macy's and our other setups, volume is a huge confirmation because volume tells us how many people are trading that stock. And we could see that we have a ton of volume. Okay, we have a ton of volume. So this is our next confirmation, which is our volume. Now, our next confirmation is on the daily and weekly time frame. So on the weekly time frame, I want to go here, let's close the volume out, and let's take a look at a bigger picture on the weekly time frame. So again, we can see that this is a solid level of support. Okay, we are holding this level of support. We can see that, this is since 2013. We have really just held this level of support. So again, the probability is on our side to go long here for Pfizer. If we zoom out, we can also see that historically. Now, on the weekly and the daily time frame, we got another confirmation, and that is based off of the candlesticks. We have a very nice solid double bottom right here, and today we got a very nice bullish candlestick. So the candlestick that we got today is looking amazing. We got a massive candlestick with some very nice volume. So this is another one of our confirmations. We just need to hold the $26 level for Pfizer, and then we are going to be looking very good. So on the daily time frame, we have this double bottom going on, and Pfizer is looking good. We are bullish as long as if we hold this level of support for Pfizer. Now I want to compare it with other stocks like Macy's and Disney. So Disney is another example. Okay, we are also in long-term Disney. Disney is another very nice example of a massive level of support that we played shares right at the bottom, and it's popping out very nicely right now. And Disney is another long-term play. We have made multiple videos on Disney long-term. We can also see that between 1996 and 2012, Disney also had another channel critical level of support. But then the next stock that I want to take a look at is Macy's, and we played this recently. We played this this was in October of 2023. Last month, we had a very nice 70% gain, ran up all over 90% gain. But just like I'm going to clear my chart right over here, but just like Pfizer, Macy's had a incredible level of support, which we played the bottom off of. This support was hanging in right between 1994 and this year. And just like Pfizer, the support for Pfizer was also around 1998, so a couple of years off. But we could see that Macy's and then Pfizer also had that opportunity. So the key thing is we are buying in at the low. Okay, we are buying in right at the bottom, and this is our strategy. You want to buy in low, you want to sell in high. Take a look at the volume for Macy's. Okay, massive volume at the level of support. Then we got a lot more volume on the daily confirmation. So if I go to daily, we had a very nice confirmation on the daily. And again, you guys can check the Discord, you guys can check the YouTube, Twitter. We played Macy's. We got in right at the bottom of it at $10, and we got out for a very nice gain. So Pfizer is going to have that very similar setup also. So the setup on Macy's, and then the setup on Disney, and then the setup on Pfizer also all had this very similar setup. Hope you guys understood my thought process, my perspective, my analysis. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I only got 100 shares. I'm probably going to sell premium on them and collect premium and do the wheel strategy on Pfizer. But let me know in the comments what you guys think for Pfizer. I'm personally bullish. I'm only risking $2,000, and especially with the dividends, it is an amazing pick. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what you guys think.